Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about 3 more organs. Now don't freak out, these are 3 of the lesser known organs that aren't as complicated to learn about, so we're going to breeze through them pretty quickly. The first one is called the pancreas. Now the pancreas is in charge of making certain hormones that help the body produce enzymes. Hormones, enzymes, big words, I know. Let's break it down a little bit. Basically, the pancreas produces something that helps the body break down the food so that you can digest it. You know how the stomach breaks down your food so that you digest it? It needs help. The pancreas produces the stuff that'll help the body break those down. It also produces something called insulin and something called glucagon. Basically, what these 2 things do is control how much sugar or glucose, remember when we learned about with plants that glucose is just another word for sugar? The pancreas helps control how much sugar is in your blood. Because if you have too much sugar, it's not a good thing. But if you don't have enough sugar, it's also not a good thing. You need a balance. Let's also talk about the gallbladder. Now, the gallbladder is basically just a storage unit. It is somewhere where it stores the bile from the liver. Bile? Liver? What are you talking about, Miss Falwell? Don't worry, we're going to talk about the liver in the next video. But the gallbladder serves an important job of just holding the bile and giving it a place to stay. The bile is important to the digestive process. The gallbladder, don't tell him, but the body could do without it. We don't really need it, but it still serves an important job while it's in your body. And the last one is the spleen. Now the spleen, oh, my spleen's upside down. The spleen is important because it helps the body to fight off infection. It produces something called antibodies, which fight off disease and infection, which is really important when you're sick. It helps your immune system. It also catches and gets rid of red blood cells that aren't working properly. It helps you make new red blood cells to keep you healthy. So it helps your blood and it helps your immunity. So these are very important. Now let's real quickly, the pancreas on your body project goes, it's kind of under your stomach. If you can't really get it under there, it's okay, but you kind of position it under your stomach there. And then your spleen is going to go off to the side of your stomach right here. And finally, your gallbladder kind of goes a little bit like that. And it's going to be kind of under next to your liver. And we're going to do the liver in the next video. All right, I hope you guys had fun learning about these 3 organs. Bye!